Welcome to this video of Roofing It Right with Dave and
Wally.
Perfect. Nice. What are we doing here, Wally?
So Dave, we're doing a scenario where maybe you have to come in and work on a curb, maybe glue up a flashing, something like that. So what we have here is we have our aerosol quick spray.
Right.
So obviously, if we're like a repair guy going up doing a minor repair, this wouldn't be something you'd be using on like a huge wall. You got to glue up an entire wall, maybe a curb or something like that.
Yeah, well, I mean, this is especially handy for if you're setting a curb.
Yeah, perfect.
On a, existing
Repair guy
roof.
go up, put some curbs in a roof or what have
Yeah.
you. So coverage rate on this.
Approximately 25 square feet.
So that could vary with whatever you're gluing to or whatnot also.
Yeah, I mean, how much you put on.
Yeah. How far, when we're going to be spraying, how far do we want to stay away from this?
Well, I mean,
substrate?
usually 6 to 8 inches,
Yeah.
something like that.
If it's windy, you might have to be a little closer.
Right.
You don't want to be way back here because the wind's going to take it. It's going to be like a spider web.
Absolutely.
And again, this is a lot more convenient to bring on a roof or something like that. Like we have our regular quick spray, which that's basically that in a can.
Exactly.
Now you can bring the can up, the hose up. You got to worry about all that. And then we're done with it. You got to maybe clean the hose. This we have to do nothing with, right?
No.
Once we're done, we're done.
Yeah.
If maybe you grabbed a can that hasn't been used in a while, or you got half a can left, been sitting around for extended period of time, what do we got to do if that nozzle's clogged?
Well, if that nozzle's clogged, take this off. Don't we have cleaner over there?
I believe we do.
Yeah. Take the nozzle off the cleaner, put it on here, spray it, or put it on there and spray it. There you go.
10 seconds, you're done. Good to go.
Right, until you get a good fan pattern.
Perfect. All right, so let's go ahead and glue this up. So now, again, this is kind of a smaller version, maybe a small curb where guys are doing. So we're going to glue that flashing up. Now we're going to be spraying. We don't want any spray on our new membrane.
Correct.
Take a sacrificial sheet or something, piece of insulation or whatever.
Yeah.
Lay down in here. Now we're not getting overspray on here.
Correct.
So Dave, what's the temperature restriction on this?
20 degrees and rising.
20 degrees rise. So that means that's not 20 degrees by noon. That's when you're starting work that day. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and spray this.
All right. My hands are cold. Why don't you give it a shot?
Your hands are cold?
Yeah, they are. Well, I'm sensitive.
All right. So we just want like a minimal overlap, correct? Yeah. Kind of like with our regular quick spray, we're looking for about an inch overlap.
Yep.
Okay.
Perfect. Now we'll let it flash off, and then we'll
set it up, roll it in, we're done.
Right.
Where do we store this material at?
50 degrees and rising.
Perfect. Stay tuned for some other videos at gaf.com/roofingItRight.